Move out of the way, move out of the way. Come on, come on. Come on, just let him go. Okay, okay. Close enough, close enough, close enough. Okay. He's in there. Yeah, I see that. Let's just sit down. Okay, okay. Okay, what is actually going on and who's after you? I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Man, this has gone horrible already. You're telling me we're at a war against the pigs. The who? The pigs. The cops? No, actual, actual pigs. Like oink oink. Like old MacDonald had a farm. Sure. Okay, that is the weirdest, villains you're facing. My villains that I'm facing, seriously, I killed Kermit the Frog and that guy named Rick, but my name's Rick. I don't know. Whoa. Haven't seen you light up in a long time. Yeah, I do that sometimes. Man, you stop. Dang it, I was enjoying that. Yeah, sometimes I don't control it, but oh god, wait, what's happening? I'm getting beat up by a monkey. Hello, mate. Wait, who are you? You're my ticket out of here, you know. So you're the one that killed Kermit and Rick. Wait, you work for those guys? Yeah. Well, I got something for you. Perfect. How you like them apples, suck up? Okay, I gotta tie him up. Or Blackberry, okay? He's gonna be fine.